You built your business to grow, not to get stuck in the daily grind. Every minute you spend manually managing social media is a minute you aren't scaling your brand. It's time to make business easy again. Introducing the Social Media Automator by Infuse AI, the tool designed to free up your time so you can focus on the big picture. Getting started is effortless. Just enter your website URL. Our bot instantly analyzes your digital footprint, learning your brand colors, voice, tone, and goals. It understands your business instantly. You stay in control, tweak the details, edit your profile, and connect your social handles. Boom! Integration complete. Simple and fast. Select your category, and the bot generates the perfect prompt automatically. Add your own touch if you like, select your platform, and watch as it designs the creative and writes the caption instantly. We send a confirmation email. You review the draft. If it looks good, hit approve. The bot handles the rest, posting exactly at the date and time you selected. Make your workflow efficient. Make your growth automatic. Infuse AI. Visit infuseai.ai today.